So next we're heading into Plan 4022. Here are the beds, baths, and square footage. Once again, HOA's $90 a month here. We are in the ASCENT series. Let's go check it out. That is a little bit of a wider porch than we're used to seeing here in Arizona. So you can actually fit some chairs out there, it looks like. Right. Yep. Yeah. Oh, let's see. Go ahead. Yeah. All right, so walking in, we have an interesting floor pattern going on here. You know what, let me fix this thing. All right, I was adjusting my camera, but I think we're good. So nice little floor pattern here, kind of different with the 18-inch tiles, a little bit of texture on them.
I like it.
Very cool. She said I'm gonna love whatever it is that she's seeing to the left here. What is this? Oh, that's nice. If my office was this big, I would really be happy. I'll tell you that much. Is my office that big? No, it's a little.
It is this big, but it's just set up differently, so.
Well, I don't have a built-in wall over there.
That's so cool.
Yeah. This is nice. Nice room. I like that little lighting fixture there. It's kind of interesting. It's probably not cheap. So you got a pretty big hallway as you walk in.
Coat closet.
Coat closet to your left for all the coats you need in
All
here
the shoes.
in AZ. Over here, what are we working with? Bathroom.
Oh, and the little closet in here too. That's
Half bath with
nice.
a little closet. How interesting.
It's
Let's
different.
check this out. Oh, a little linen closet there.
I wonder if like they could put the toilet in there. Like this seems weird. Usually
Kinda
the toilet
does.
would be in there.
That's more Midwest style.
What?
Yeah, having the toilet out of there.
Yeah, like usually here the toilets are in those little rooms.
Yeah,
Did I show you in here?
you did. Okay.
Love this.
Ooh, yeah, look at this. This is set up really cool, I think. I like this. So a lot of these style of homes that are single story, this width from here to here is a lot skinnier. So this has some good square footage to it. And yeah, it feels real nice.
Should I say masculine?
Feels
Will I get
masculine.
bullied?
Is this masculine? Yeah, it's black. Got some black
Well,
cabinets.
like the leather chairs.
Oh yeah.
But I don't know why they have a fridge from 1992.
Because they ran out of fridges. They probably had to give it to a client. And
There's-
yeah, you know,
It's pretty.
it's what's going on right now. Yeah, really nice.
I like the countertops, these backsplash. I'm not crazy
It's
about
like
the
a
cabinet.
quartz. Yeah.
Is there a pantry over there?
Probably. So kitchen kind of extends over there as well. Obviously, this is the upgraded package with the, you know, the gourmet kitchen. And then in here we have our pantry. And then this gimbal's not the greatest. Over here we have the laundry room. I was gonna say the office. What am I talking about?
Yeah, oversized laundry room.
Oversized.
Sink.
You like how big that is?
Yeah, I like laundry.
Sweet
You
deal.
need a place for your clothes. Got all the
For
storage.
sure. For sure.
Love the sink.
We have some visitors joining us. So here is the eating area, little dinner section there, and then the seating area, the living room in the back. So all this is connected, flows real nicely together, and you can get your beautiful wall decked out and painted. Have something like that. So that seems to be the trend these days. So let's go check out the side bedrooms, then we'll go check out the master. Go ahead, lead the way. Tour du jour.
Little bath.
So we have a full bath. Kind of small, but you know, for a guest or for the kids, that'll get the job done. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Bedroom. Does this feel as big as the other one? So it's kind of on an angle. You see how this is? It's set on an angle. So just not having that square footage feels a little weird to me.
It's fine for a kid though.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's not small.
No, and it's got a good closet.
And then I'm thinking the other room's going to be the same size.
If anything, it looks a little smaller, but I guess it is the same.
I don't know, all these optical illusions with paint colors and whatnot these days, it's kind of hard to tell without a tape measure.
It's a good size though. A desk, a dresser, a nightstand,
Yeah.
a full-size bed. Like it's got a lot of room.
Yeah, good deal.
Like if you had a twin bed for kids, you could even fit 2 twins, you know?
Yep. Love it. Beautiful. No music playing, I like that. So heading into the bag, yeah, another Sputnik. That's beautiful. Heading over here. What do we got? What do we got? Master bedroom. So definitely not as much square footage as the last house, but you know, single story. Let's check out this backyard. It's probably not going to be as big as the 2-story. That's one thing to keep in mind. 2 stories are going to get a larger backyard. Single stories do cost more than a 2-story, just so you guys know. So if you're running comps looking at 2 stories at 2,100 square feet, as compared to single story 2,100 square foot homes, you're going to see the single stories typically sell for about $20,000, $30,000 more in that case, as long as we're keeping everything equal. Nice size shower here. What do you think of this guy?
Nice.
It's pretty cool.
This one's the only one.
Yeah. I don't know. I think if you're going to get a shower like that, though, you need to have some extra sprayers just to kind of spice it up a little bit. This closet's good size. Yeah, it's pretty nice. All right. I like that wallpaper on the,
Here, it's textured.
yeah, texture. Beautiful.
Little towel cabinet.
There you go. 3 towels in there. Whew. Now we should really put a picture.
In the bathroom, so you don't have to like walk to your room or anything.
Oh, yeah. That is nice. I was going to say we should put a little picture in our area. It'd make me feel better. That is that, people. Let's go check out the backyard. Teresa's done an awesome job. If you like the way she's giving this tour, make a little mention of it in the comments below. Make her feel good. You know, I don't think she's ever got a comment like, "Hey Teresa, you did a great job with the tour. Amazing." So here's the back patio. Good size. Definitely a good size. And yeah, look at this little cook area. This is great. Who doesn't like the sound of running water? I know I do. A little bistro thing going on here. Bistro light action. So it's not the largest yard, but you got space to move, which is always good. She says it's not terrible. And yeah, you can fit a little pool back here. And you got the community pool if not. All right, well that about does it for this tour. Look at this furniture, is real nice. Look at this stuff. What is this? Oh, beautiful. Yeah, it's weird. Weird but comfy. Final thoughts on these 2 homes?
Yes, me.
A plus, A minus, B, B, C, D.
They're very nice.
Very nice.
I'll give them a letter.
So, and just so you guys know, 9-foot ceilings in here as well. So it feels a little enclosed to me. It feels like should be some kind of cathedral ceiling action going on, but there's not. Don't you have that book, True Comfort?
It's a good one.
It's a great book.
Got a
Can't say I've
great
read it.
chili recipe, great chicken pot pie recipe,
There you go.
overnight oats.
Overnight oats, I think
You
I've
can
had this.
actually tag Kristen Cavallari now.
Yes, now I can tag her. I don't think I can tag her on YouTube though. Unless I tag her channel. All right, so that's it.
It's just a 3-bedroom.
Correct.
And then
I mean, you could probably make that into an office as well. And guys, I'll have, just so you know, switch the camera here. So I'll have all of the different floor plans and everything in this website link, which you can get here. Feel free to download that. And if you guys need help, please, it's It's free to have a realtor, it doesn't cost you anything. I sat today for 4 hours at my buddy's house, client's house, and he had to get his RO installed, reverse osmosis. So he's in California, he still hasn't moved here, he's got people coming. I go meet them at the house. It's better than asking some random neighbor if they will, if they'll meet your service providers over there. So be sure to reach out if we could help you guys, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. What?
I think I figured this out.
Oh, she figured it out.
That this probably has an option for a shower.
Oh.
Maybe because the other one is a full bath, so
Yeah.
maybe this could be a small shower.
Maybe.
You want it? Possibly.
We'll look at it. That'll be all in the PDF if you guys want to download it. So we'll see you on the next one.